Cha. Uh, Good afternoon, classmates. We are from Group 2 and I'm Bailon Guzon. Uh, Engineering. Uh, I was I define engineering as the one who paved the way for our civilization, and buildings, houses, roads, and etc. are a product of civil engineering in the distant past. Engineering is a way of life that boosts our way of life through its invention and its equipment. Engineering is the one thing that tries to solve most of the problems in the universe by knowing the problems and experiments on them and finds a solution to answer it. And for them, engineering is a utilization of materials and laws of nature for the betterment of humanity and an essential for the evolution of humanity and the one that cooperates with science.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Dixon Yangorete. Engineering for me is the application of creative ideas where it can be done individually or with the help of other people. Engineering from the beginning has been very essential throughout the evolution of humanity. Even in its early days, it was a big help to help build civilization and nations for the people to be able to survive. Engineering is Mechanical engineering is a branch of technology that is used to build and design machines that are very useful for our everyday life. Today, mechanical engineering it keeps evolving, unlike 100 years ago, where people have limited ideas and also have limited resources. Mechanical engineering is a subfield of engineering that focuses on constructing and fixing machines that are very useful in our everyday life. It is our job as a mechanical engineers to ensure that every machines work 100%. Tomorrow next.
Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewerage systems, pipelines, structural components of buildings, and railways.
Uh, Welding and using the lathe machine are the two skills that we acquired for enrolling this course, mechanical engineering. And
These are the great inventions of mechanical engineering. First one is the pulley. It is a wheel on an axle or shaft that is designed to support movement and change of direction without cable or belt. We often see this invention in cargo ships to transport a container from one place to another. And also, it is used in elevators to to move us from top to bottom or transport us from
bottom to top.
bottom to top. Next is the airplane or aeroplane is a powered that is propelled forward by thrust from a jet engine, propeller, or rocket engine. Next is next is the steam locomotive. A steam locomotive is a type of railway locomotive that produces its pulling power through through a steam engine. These locomotives are fueled by burning combustible materials, usually coal, wood, or oil to produce steam in a boiler. This this invention is used in and the Industrial Revolution.
So these are the great engineers. First one is Willis Haviland Carrier. He was an American engineer best known for conditioning. And Carrier is invented the first electrical air conditioner in 1902. Air conditioning is one of our major as a mechanical engineers. So this next one is Rudolf Christian Karl Diesel. Um, a German inventor, a mechanical engineer, and famous for the invention of the diesel engine, which is used in our cars nowadays. And it's suspicious that at sea, diesel was namesake of the 1942 film Diesel. Next, please. And lastly, James Watt. James Watt was a Scottish inventor, mechanical engineer, and a chemist who improved on Thomas Newcomen's 1712 Newcomen steam engine. With his Watt steam engine in 1776, instrumental to the changes brought by the Industrial Revolution both in his native Great Britain and the rest of the world. Thank you.
Uh, all for today.